Hello, welcome back to another video with your girl Q. How are my cutie Qs doing today? I missed you so much. If this is your first time visiting the channel, hello, my name is Q. I would love to have you as one of my cutie Qs. If you can hit that subscribe button down below, turn your notifications on so that you are reminded every time I post a brand new video. Today we are having fish and chips. I have some fried fish here that my dad made, and I also have some potato wedges that came from a gas station in my area called Royal Farms. I know a lot of people don't have Royal Farms in their area. I missed you guys so much. I have some ice water here. I have ketchup and also some Crystal hot sauce that I'm going to be putting on my fish, okay? So if you don't like burping, smacking, or moaning, I would not recommend this video to you. Hopefully you'll be able to find a video that you like to watch. Bye! So you guys, oh, my hair just came down. How are you guys doing today? I'm going to put the ketchup on the side. I'm usually the type of person that likes ketchup all over my fries, but since I'm eating potato wedges today, I am just going to dip it. I am so hungry. And these potato wedges, they are so good. They're seasoned so well. Yummy. And this fish is so big. Look how big that is. It's huge. This is whiting. It's hot. So good. So what is going on with you guys? And you guys missed me yesterday? I definitely missed you guys. The video that you guys were supposed to get yesterday, you guys, so I was gonna do like a cookie video for you guys yesterday. Like, these cookies are supposed to be special. And guess who ate them? Yes. My boo ate the cookies. He ate the cookies. Do you guys put ketchup on your fish? So good. You can taste all the flavors. And these potato wedges, so good. I'm gonna put some ketchup on my fish. That's good. He made so much fish. And that fish is huge. You guys will not believe how he was frying this fish. So I got to his house Mmm. That is so refreshing. That water is so refreshing. So I get to the house and he's frying the fish. And he's frying the fish in one of those roasters, like a turkey roaster. I seen people put turkeys in their ham. I was like, you're frying the fish in that? Mmm. Sorry, you guys, it has bones in it. Mmm. Mmm. That is so good. Mmm. Mmm. He was frying. I couldn't believe it. I was like, isn't that dangerous? He was like, I do it all the time. Mmm. The fish came out so good though. Mmm. I hope you guys had a really good weekend. I had a good weekend. Mmm. Mmm, 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 mmm. Mmm, 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 mmm. Man. Ooh. Excuse me. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Now, this fish was made last night. And I reheated it in the oven. Mmm. You gotta be careful with these because this fish has bones in it. Mmm. Mmm, 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 mmm. What are you guys having for dinner? Mmm. This is so good. If you love fish, you would love this fish. Mmm. Mmm. I don't like fish that has too much bones in it. Too many bones. I don't have time for that. You guys, I am so sad. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. So I went to Best Buy today and I went to get a mic for my camera. You know, I picked up the mic. I was going to get a Rode mic, which is a mic that just goes on top of your camera and it improves the sound quality. So I told the guy, I was like, I have a really old camera. Don't laugh. I was kind of embarrassed by my camera because my camera is so old. And I love my camera because it works. Like, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. It's perfectly fine. It needs a mic for the top. And what's so weird is my camera has the thing on top of it where you can sit stuff on top of it, so you would think that a mic can go up there. So I get the mic, we pick the mic out, and I asked the guy, I was like, is it easy to use? Because I'm not a techie person. I'm not good at that type of stuff. He was like, yeah, all you do is plug it in the side of all you do is plug it in the side of your camera. So I open the side of my camera and it doesn't even have the port that it needs for any microphone to be attached to it. That's how old my camera is. So I was really sad about that. So I was already in the market for a new camera, but I don't know what kind of camera I want. I need something that is going to allow me to be able to vlog, because I want to start vlogging for you guys. I kind of want like an all-in-one camera. Definitely something that's easy to use. Because you guys, I am not good at that stuff. So I was thinking that today I'm gonna have better quality. My audio is gonna be on point. Everything is gonna be perfect. And that just was not the case, and it really disappointed me today. But you just gotta keep on moving, keep on pressing. I will find a solution. Basically, the solution is I'm just gonna have to get a new camera. Even though this camera works perfectly fine, there's absolutely nothing wrong with it. I know how to use it. I know all the functions. I'm just kind of nervous about getting a new camera to learn all this new stuff about it. And plus, I get set in my ways. I'm comfortable. I don't feel like having to learn all this stuff. And then I'm thinking, well, what if it's not easy to use? And what if it's blurry? And what if it's this? And what if it's that? And I have to think about lenses and this and that. And so, yeah. I have been going through with that. So now it's becoming to the point where I'm gonna have to hurry up and make a decision on a camera, and I don't like being rushed, but I want my quality to be amazing. So I have a lot of work ahead of me this week, you guys. I have to figure out what kind of camera that I'm going to use, look at some reviews, and yeah, figure everything out. But I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for rocking with me. Thank you for loving me. I'm going to be here all week for you guys. So definitely make sure that you stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Excuse me. I love you guys so much. And make sure you guys are spreading love and light. I will see you guys tomorrow for another video. Bye. Mwah.